Okay, so ito medyo nakakalungkot dahil I learned na magulo ang spiritual community dito sa Pinas. So ginawa ko proactively, nag-search ako for Pinoy spirituality content. I got curious kasi po bihira naman dumaan sa akin yung mga Pinoy videos about spirituality. Mula kasi nung journey ko ng spiritual awakening, yung algorithm ko po sa iba't ibang platforms are coming from the US. Madalas from different countries. Kaya ang naging mentor ko, guides sa physical world are from other countries. Naalala ko sa Blue Up noon, kasali ako sa iba't ibang spiritual community ng US. Although, ngayon, hindi na po kasi ako active sa community mula nitong 2025 dahil I decided to focus on my own journey. Ang masasabi ko lang, peaceful ang spiritual community na nasalihan ko sa ibang bansa. Synchronized yung energy ng Soul Tribe. Masasabi ko na it's a community of like-minded people. Na-mention ko na to nung nag-uumpisa pa lang ako mag-content. Naramdaman ko na walang competition, love and light yung pinoproject ng bawat community. If meron mang bashing, of course, it's coming from people na nasa slumber pa rin. Of course, I know. At lalong alam nila na it's not only love and light. Kasi itong mga nakilala ko, years na silang awakened. Yung iba sa kanila, decades na silang spiritual. Clarity, light, at love. Yun ang binibigay nila sa mga tao sa community. They are totally healed. Kaya yun na yung nagiging projection nila. Liwanag. Kasi alam ko na marami ang nagsasabi na spirituality is not always love and light. Wag yung sabihin na puro love and light. Yes, it's true. Pero uulitin ko din na dark nights, shadow, evil side, facing your own demon, pinagdadaanan lahat yan. Proseso. Process that you have to go through to be able to see the light. Hindi ikaw ang magpo-project ng dilim. Hindi ikaw ang magbibigay ng dilim sa buhay ng mga taong gustong maunawaan ang spiritual awakening. Mangyayari, ipauunawa mo sa kanila na dadaan ka sa madilim na yugto. Pero, love and light ang energy na magigain natin after darkness. Sa totoo lang, na-surprise ako na magulo pala ang spirituality sa Pinas. I was expecting positive energy. But to be honest, chaotic ang energy. More on egoistic. At nakakalungkot na may mga nagtitake advantage nung matutunan nila yung psychic abilities nila. May kanya-kanya naman silang pinaglalaban. Nakita ko rin naman kung sino yung may punto. Meron kasing mga hindi pa hinog pero nag-i-initiate na ng mga activation. And it's dangerous. So, syempre, merong mga concern na kino-call out sa bala. Naiintindihan ko rin naman yun. Nakakalungkot na lang. Hindi to maganda. I know somehow this is part of the spiritual warfare. Pwedeng hindi sila aware na yung iba sa kanila nagagamit na pala ng mga, alam niyo na. Hangad ko na magkaroon sila ng clarity at makita nila ang totoong liwanag. Magkaroon ng kapayapaan ang puso nila at maging iisa ang hangarin nating lahat. Let's make peace our goal. Let's make this planet a home, heaven on Mother Earth. Naalala ko tuloy, my own mentor said that if you want na mag-go through ng healing session from healers, make sure na talagang healed yung healer. Kasi pwede niyang mapasa sa'yo ang trauma niya or i-harvest niya ang energy mo. You have to feel kung pure ang intention, pure ang puso, o energy ng healer mo. So as much as possible, guidance na lang ang kunin mo, then ikaw na ang mag-heal sa sarili mo. Kaya sa mga bago pa lang sa spiritual journey, ito na lang po yung mapapayo ko. If it's aligned with you, then it's your path. Para sa'yo yun. Kung pakiramdam mo, aligned siya sa'yo. We have the same truth, but we have different ways on expressing these truths. Like what I've always said, we have different blueprint. May kanya-kanya tayong timeline. When are you going to learn such information? May kanya-kanya tayong timeline kailan mag-heal ang certain trauma na meron ka. Kailan mag-activate ang spiritual gifts mo. May timeline yan. May timeline kung kailan mo marireceive ang message or download. May kanya-kanyang panahon. Kaya don't force anything to happen kung hindi pa binibigay sa'yo. There's no shortcut. You have to trust your path. Surrender to the process. Madalas hindi mo kailangan mag-search. You just have to be connected to your inner self. Laging panatilihin ang clarity ng isip. Para kung may mensahe, makukuha mo agad yung ibig sabihin. Kung may signs and symbols, makikita mo agad. Our source, God, universe, whatever you want to call it, is infinite. And so are you. There are infinite ways to discover the real you. Possibilities are endless. You're not here to copy other people's path. Your experience is your own teacher. When you discover your truth and the real you, doon mo marirealize na iisa lang talaga ang truth nating lahat. Magkakaiba lang ng landas na tinahak, magkakaiba lang ng lesson, magkakaiba lang ng lengguwahe. Pero sa dulo, magtatagpo din dahil iisa lang naman ang katotohanan na hinahanap natin. Na tayo ay iisa. We are interconnected. We came from one source. That's why we are infinite, powerful, divine beings. And remember, if we really want to help the planet, heal yourself. Because that healing projects. Raise your vibration. Operate from love, not from fear. Love is the frequency that we need. Stop looking for light. You are the light. And be the light on this planet.